Hello and welcome. This is Michelle with PaperStampInk. Thanks for stopping by my channel today. I am here to say a fond farewell to the Foxy Friends stamp set and the Fox Builder Punch. I think these are just adorable. Unfortunately, they are going to retire when the new catalog comes out, so you can purchase them up through June 3rd. But I just wanted to have one last play with them and share a little bit of fun with you guys. So the punch is great. It's got all these little body parts that you can punch out and make a myriad of different animals. I know it's called the Foxy Friends and the Fox Builder, but you can make a lot of different animals with it. You've also got a ton of different stamps that you can use to make a variety of animals, as well as some trees and some embellishments. And I just think this is a fun little set, and I'm sad to see it go, but it's making room for some more fun, great items that I will be bringing to you as we go. If you're interested in what kind of animals you can make with this set, I encourage you to jump on Pinterest, because there are people who are way more creative with punch art than me, and they have come up with tons and tons of animals. But I just picked my three favorites. A little woodland scene here with a little fox, the skunk, and the raccoon. And I took some of our wood grain DSP, which is going away as well. So if you'd like to pick that up, make sure you do that. Use the rectangle stitch dies to create a frame. I took a piece of old olive and I just cut it kind of a little wavy and sponged the edge just to give them some place to sit on for those little animals. And I thought we would just make the raccoon together to show you how this comes together. I thought I'd save us a little time and not do the entire card, but let's make this fun raccoon so you guys can see how quick and simple these are. So I'm just going to come in here, and it looks like I'm going to have to punch a couple times because I don't have a piece wide enough to get all of the bits and parts that I need. We're going to take our head, we've got our tail, little body, and that's all we need actually for this one. We don't need all those little extra bits and pieces. As you can see, there's this little fluff piece. I don't know what really to call it, but I've used it for the ruff on the fox. I've used it for the tip of his tail. I've also used it for a little tuft on the top of the skunk's head. So a lot of these pieces can be used in a variety of different ways. So I've got some smoky slate cardstock, and I am just going to pull out my smoky slate ink for a tone-on-tone color. And we're going to take the stripes that come in here for the raccoon tail, and I'm just going to set that right down on there. And we've got our raccoon tail, and come in with the little mask. Isn't that cute? And put his face on there. And let's grab our Memento black ink. And I'm going to come in here and put the little eyes and the nose. And I like to add these little legs on the body. Oh, and I didn't ink that up well. Let's see if I can line that up. There we go. And then we just have to come in with our Tomo Mono Multi and little dab of glue on the bottom. Looks like my glue is just about out on this one. And I'm going to put a little bit on the base of the tail. And there's our cute little raccoon. So if you're interested in this stamp set, again, it is going to be going away in June 3rd, and you've got a few more days. You can pick that up. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe, make sure you do so. I'll have lots of different projects coming to you with the old and the new catalog over the next few days. In the meantime, until we meet again, grab your paper, Stampin' Ink, make something creative, and share it with someone.